am so excited, you guys. I don't normally do sponsored videos. And I get emails all the time about companies wanting me to try their products and do a video, and I get them all the time. I know some of you may wonder, well, Miss Donna, why don't you do sponsored videos, or why haven't people reached out to you? They do all the time. 9 times out of 10, or maybe 8 times out of 10, I ignore it because I'm just oftentimes not really interested. I think the caraway pot set has probably been the only sponsored video that I've done, and that's because I cook, so I was very, very interested in that beautiful pot set. But when a representative reached out to me from Teddy Blake, I was so excited to do one of their handbags. Now I've owned a Teddy Blake bag before, so again I was really excited because I already know the quality of their bags, so I was excited to do this one. And I love shoes. I have a shoe fetish. I love shoes, but in me stepping up my purse game, I thought, you know what, I would love to do a video. They allowed me to go to their website and pick out any bag that I wanted. So I figured doing a black bag would be very, I guess, befitting, because you could, black is always easy to wear, if you will. So, and I wanted to do something that I could take to church. So this is the beautiful bag that I picked out. I will have all of the specs regarding this bag in the description box below. They also included a discount code for my YouTube family. So just in case any of you are interested and you want to go out there and look at some of their bags, you will get a discount, okay? I have my notes here because there are some things that I want to mention that I do not want to forget. So I'm cheating, all right? But the Teddy Blake bags are designed by Italian designers for every style choice. They use premium Italian leather, so you can enjoy the luxury feel and the smell of real leather. And the leather is made with luxurious leather from Italy's finest pelletries, dyed and treated to withstand the test of time and maintain its luxurious look. Let's see. They make sure that each bag is characterized by high quality construction, attention to detail, imaginative design, shape, and durability. Using the same exquisite materials as all luxury brands, as they never compromise on quality. And what I do love, I especially love the fact that it has an adjustable strap where I can make it longer, I can make it shorter. I love the gold accents that are on the bag. I love the design and the feel of the leather. And I think one of my favorite parts of this bag is that the inside of it is the red suede. I love that as well. Now the pictures that you saw earlier, I was just trying to try the bag on and kind of getting a feel for it. I actually wore the bag or took the bag to church today. So this is really my first day carrying the bag. I can tell the handles are very sturdy. And again, that red just pops. So I am loving my bag, and I needed something, kind of large too, because sometimes I carry a lot in my bag. For example, y'all, let me show you what I have in this bag today. And don't ask me why, because it ain't none of your business. But look, clippers. I have a pair of clippers that I had to use today in church. Mind your business. Don't be worrying about why. Wait a minute, did the top of my little clippers come off in my bag? Okay. So, I needed a nice size bag, so when I carry stuff like this, I bet y'all like, why in the world did Miss Donna have clippers in her bag? Mind your business. Okay. All right, let's see what Teddy Blake is also big on you all being able to enjoy the luxury of a very nice handbag at a fair price, always, okay? So again, I just wanted to give a shout out to Teddy Blake. I think the only thing I wish the bag did have was the feet on the bottom. In my personal opinion, I think that's just, I love a bag that has the feet on the bottom. I think that just would have taken it over the top if the bag had the little feet on the bottom. But other than that, I think the bag is absolutely beautiful. And even it allows where it closes at, there are 3 different options where if I needed to, I could, if I didn't have clippers and stuff in my bag, I could close it tight. If I needed a little bit more room, I can put it in the middle. And if I needed even more, then I have one more option to where I could close it, okay? So again, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Teddy Blake for sending me this beautiful bag. The code is capital TB for Teddy Blake, I'm sure, and then Donna 30. You guys will get an extra $30 off of your purchase. Again, that information will be in the description box below. I've already shown that on the screen. I may or may not show it again, but wanted to share this information. So you guys go out there and check them out, see if there's anything that you like. And I really did not mind sharing this bag because, like I said, I have experienced Teddy Blake's bags before, okay? So once again, thank you so much to the representative of Teddy Blake for reaching out to me to feature this bag. It was gifted to me and I am so appreciative because I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And, you know, if you guys need me to review anything else, just reach on back out to me again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was something different, but like I said, I just wanted to, it feels funny doing these kind of videos, but this is not what I'm used to doing. I guess you can probably tell. But I think the bag is absolutely fabulous. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this different kind of content today. Hope you guys have had a fabulous Sunday because I know we have. I hope y'all went to church. Did you go to church? I hope you went to church. If you didn't, I hope you enjoyed a service online. I just hope that you enjoyed your Sunday, okay? Alrighty then. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Turning on that notification bell. That's that hit the nosy that my dude number 1, aka my husband, would have yelled out had he been here. That way, you'll be notified whenever we're doing whatever it is we're doing over here, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me or maybe us again next time. Bye.